Hello everyone. If you're new to my channel is Cooking Mom. Also, I have another channel, is Coupon Clicking Mom. And if you like my videos, go on there and hit that subscribe button, like, comment, and share. And today I'm going to be making some French toast. All you're going to need is your bread. And you're going to need some eggs and milk and powdered sugar. And I'm going to use cinnamon. I like cinnamon on mine, and some syrup. So let's get started. Okay, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to take your eggs and you're going to crack your eggs and put 2 eggs in the bowl. You can adjust it if you want to do more, which I'm only going to do 3 pieces of bread tonight for my French toast. So I'm just going to whisk up those eggs a little bit. And I've got about maybe 1/4 cup of milk. French toast is simple. Also, you're going to need some spray, some cooking spray. I forgot to get that. Anyway, I'm just going to sprinkle some cinnamon sugar in my egg milk mixture. And I have it in this little container. And all we're going to do, I got the, I'm going to mix that up a little bit. And I'm going to get my pan hot, and then I'll come back. Okay, all you're going to do is you're going to take your bread, and you're going to dip it in your egg and milk mixture. And get it saturated real good. And then we're going to put it in the pan. And we're going to do the other one the same way. And I got one more piece. And I'm going to try to get all 3 of them in the pan. I don't know how it's going to work. Oh yeah. Okay, so I got them all in the pan. Okay. I'm just gonna turn them when they get brown. Like I said, this pan is not very big. And that's what you want. You want the golden brown like that. And I'm just making enough for me, because I'm the only one here. That is today anyway. So I turned my burner down a little bit because it was trying to cook kind of fast. So and this is all you're gonna do. It won't take long to fix French toast. Be ready in a few. As soon as it gets done, we're gonna put some powdered sugar on it. Got to make it good. Turn it up just a little bit. So I want it just a little bit browner. Hope you can see that. See, it's getting brown. I'm constantly turning my stuff because I don't want it to burn. See, that's getting brown right there. So, it's about there. Ain't nothing like some good French toast or pancakes for breakfast. I think they're just about done. I'm gonna cut it off. I'll get me a plate and I'll come back. All right, the French toast is done. And you're just gonna take a little bit of powdered sugar, or maybe a lot, and spread it around. If you get too much, just knock it off the side. Now, all we gotta do is put our syrup on it and eat it. All right, I got this powdered sugar on there. Like I said, that's a lot. And then you're gonna put your syrup on it. And I'm gonna have me some milk with mine, because I like milk with pancakes or French toast. So I'm gonna have me some milk. I need to drink this milk anyway, because it's gonna be going out of date in a couple of days. All right, let's try it. I can get it cut. That is good. Like I said, if you like my videos, go on and hit that subscribe button, like, comment, and share. And thanks for watching.